BNB analysis. The sleeping giant in this bull market, while most of the crypto market is busy chasing narratives on Solana, Ethereum, Layer 2 South, and A. Coin's one Layer 1 is quietly sitting in the background with massive infrastructure real-world usage and serious upside potential, and that's BNB Chain. In this segment, we'll dive into why BNB might just be the sleeping giant of this bull cycle, and how it could surprise everyone. Let's start with the fundamentals. BNB remains one of the most actively used blockchains in the world. Despite the lack of hype on crypto Twitter, BNB Chain consistently ranks among the top chains by daily active users and transaction count. It powers a thriving on-chain economy, from token launches and swaps to gaming, DeFi, and meme coin activity, largely because it's fast, extremely cheap, and friendly to retail users, especially in Asia and emerging markets. BNB is still the default gas token for Binance's entire ecosystem, including Binance Smart Chain, OPBNB Layer 2, and all of their on-chain products. What's more important is that BNB isn't just sitting on its 2021 legacy. The chain has been quietly evolving. One of the biggest recent upgrades is the launch of OPBNB, Binance's own Layer 2 built on the Optimism stack. This rollup architecture means BNB Chain can now scale horizontally, opening the door to massive DeFi throughput, gaming ecosystems, and high-frequency apps, without congesting the base layer. On top of that, Binance has introduced Greenfield, its decentralized storage layer designed to power Web3 social media, creator tools, and file-sharing dApps. Together, these two pillars, OPBNB and Greenfield, position BNB for massive multi-sector expansion if usage grows. Another critical angle is the narrative rotation. Right now, attention is on Ethereum ETFs, Solana's comeback, and meme season. But if those cool off, capital often rotates into underpriced high-utility chains. That's where BNB comes in. Historically, BNB outperforms during retail onboarding phases, when new users flood into the market via Binance CEX to naturally get introduced to the BNB ecosystem. If Binance relaunches Launchpad campaigns, meme coins on BNB start trending, or DeFi protocols like Thenifi, Wombat, and Helio gain traction, we could see an explosive wave of attention back into BNB Chain. And don't forget, BNB has something few top 10 coins have: real token utility. It powers gas fees, reduces trading fees on Binance, plays a role in Launchpad participation, and is tied into the tokenomics of multiple BNB native dApps. It also has a built-in deflationary mechanism, with a portion of tokens being burned automatically, reducing supply over time. So what about the price potential? BNB's previous all-time high was around $690 during the last bull market. At the time of this video, it's still trading well below that, despite all the ecosystem improvements. If the crypto market goes full bull and BNB captures even a portion of renewed user activity, retesting the $700 to $800 zone is realistic. If OPB, NB, and Greenfield adoption pick up, and Binance CEX funnels in another wave of users, $1,000 to $1,200 is not out of the question. However, the idea of BNB hitting $5,000 is highly unlikely in this cycle. That would require a $750 billion market cap, which would mean BNB surpasses Ethereum at its peak. It would take a true supercycle, and at this stage, that's a long shot. In conclusion, BNB may not be trending on Twitter, but it's doing something more important. It's building, onboarding, and staying relevant across multiple sectors. And in a market that loves forgotten giants, BNB could be the last one to move, but the fastest when it does. Keep your eye on volume, TVL on OPBNB, and the next Launchpad cycle, because when BNB wakes up, it usually doesn't knock. It kicks the door down.